Hi children, good evening everyone. Welcome back to the video class. I hope everyone are fit and fine at home. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Rajitha. I hope you are enjoying video classes. Okay, let's start today's session. This is the continuation of the lesson Reproduction in Plants. Before that, let us have a quick recap of what we discussed in the previous class. Yes, very good. We have studied about propagation through leaves by taking bryophyllum plant as an example, and reproduction through seeds and its parts, and germination of a seed into a new baby plant. In today's session, we shall discuss about the dispersal of seeds and the various dispersal agents that scatter the seeds through wind, water, animals and explosion. Plants need adequate space to grow properly. For proper growth of a plant needs sufficient nutrients, water, sunlight and space. If there is shortage in any of those, it will affect the proper growth of the plant. That is why seeds need to be scattered away from the parent plant. This process of scattering or spreading of seeds to different places is known as dispersal of seeds. I repeat once again, children. The process of scattering or spreading of seeds to different places is known as dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds happen always through water, wind, animals and explosion of the fruit. They are known as agents of dispersal. Now we'll see how the seeds scattered by wind. Some seeds have long and fine hair on them. Seeds like maple, dandelion, drumstick, madar and hiptage have wings or tufts of hair on them. These hair or wings help them to float in the wind. Scattering by water. Some plants like lotus and coconut grow in or near the water. The fruits and seeds of these plants are easily dispersed by flowing water. The coconut has a thick coverage of fiber and lotus plant has a spongy part that help them to float. So the seeds reach far away from the parent plant. Now we'll see the dispersal of seeds by animals. Humans and animals eat fruits that contain seeds. We throw away the seeds after eating fruits like mangoes, oranges, apples, cherries and plums. These small hard seeds of guava, etc. are thrown out of our bodies with the waste. All such seeds are carried to far away from the parent plant. Seeds of many plants have stiff hair, hooks or spines. These seeds stick to our clothes or fur of animals and are carried to far away by these animals. Example, caltrop, mimosa. Birds eat fruits of banyan, fig and peepal tree. Some seeds stick to the beaks, feathers or feet of birds getting carried over to long distances. These seeds get dispersed when undigested seeds come out through their droppings. Now we'll see the dispersal of seeds by explosion of fruit. Sometimes pods of some plants burst open on ripening, scattering of seeds over a distance. Plants produce more seeds as some seeds are wasted during the process of dispersal and all seeds do not germinate into a new plant. Some fruits like pea, balsam, geranium and touch-me-not plant explode on drying. Their seeds are thrown out and scattered away from the parent plant. So, these are the various dispersal agents that scatter the seeds through wind, water, animals, and explosion. So, by this, I conclude that plants reproduce in many ways, such as through roots, stem, leaves, and seeds. And we have studied about the dispersal of seeds by wind, water, animals, and explosion, and how the seeds germinate into a new baby plant. I hope you all have understood about the reproduction in plants very well. So, children, some assignment will be given based on these topics, and I hope you will answer it. Thank you, children, for paying attention and concentrating. Bye, children.